joining me. I'm Jivan Shakti. Today's meditation is called Excel, Excel, Fearless. The simple description of this meditation is to build confidence and self-esteem. Could always use an added boost of confidence, and this is a great meditation to perform before a big event, or possibly going for a job interview, or before a presentation, or when you have something that you need that extra boost of confidence. Maybe it's to make that phone call, or maybe it's to go out on a first date. This simple meditation, which is recited in English, is 3 minutes and recommended to be done twice a day to give you that added boost of confidence and self-esteem. So let's tune in. Come rubbing the palms together, creating some heat between the palms, closing down the eyes, focusing in and up at the brow at the third eye center, resting your palms at the center of your chest in prayer pose, thumbs resting on the sternum. Inhale and exhale, and inhale to tune in with the Adi mantra. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Inhale. Suspend the breath, stay focusing at the brow and apply the Mula Bandh. Gentle contraction of the rectum, sex organ and navel. Spiral the energy up. And exhale. Release your hands down, thumb and index finger touching in Gyan Mudra. The mantra for this meditation is, I am bountiful, I am blissful, I am beautiful. Excel, excel, fearless. When you inhale, suspend the breath, mentally recite, I am bountiful, I am blissful, I am beautiful. Exhale all the breath out. Whilst holding it out, mentally recite, excel, excel, fearless. The mudra, or the hand position, is Gyan Mudra. Elbows straight, backs of the palms resting on the knees, thumb and index finger touching. The dristi, or the eye position, is eyes 1/10 open, focusing at the nose, or you can close your eyes and have them rolled down towards the chin. So let's begin the meditation, making sure that our spine is straight, our chin is gently in, hands in Gyan Mudra, eyes focused 1/10 open at the tip of the nose or closed, rolled down to the chin. And let's begin. Inhale, suspend the breath. I am bountiful, I am blissful, I am beautiful. Exhale, suspend the breath out. Excel, excel, fearless. Inhale, suspend the breath. I am bountiful, I am blissful, I am beautiful. Exhale, suspend the breath out. Excel, excel, fearless. And continue. I am bountiful, I am blissful, I am beautiful. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful, I am blissful, I am beautiful. Excel, excel, fearless. And to end the meditation, inhale, suspend the breath, apply the Mula Bandh, spiral the energy up, keep the eyes focused, chin in, spine straight. And exhale, release the posture. And that is a simple meditation that you can do for that extra boost of self-esteem and confidence twice a day for 3 minutes if you really need to get the added benefits. Sat Nam.